guys are enjoying your day. You have to enjoy because this is the only life we have. We have to enjoy each and every minute. Anyhow, so where we have stopped our discussion previously, if I'm not wrong, we were doing some pattern programming. So which was the last pattern we did? Pyramid we did? Very good. So now let us go for the next pattern. Now, so before I proceed further, how many of you went to your home and coded the program? All of you have coded? Good. See, again, if you code, good for you. Because when you make your hands dirty, then only you learn programming in a much deeper way. Anyhow, what's this? Let us go for my next pattern. What's that, sir? Watch it. Okay. Now this is how my pattern is looking like. And let me draw this. This is my monitor screen. This is my monitor screen. On my monitor screen, this is how the stars I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stars. But to start with, there is one space here. One space, 9 stars. Followed by 2 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 stars. After that, 3 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars are there. Please focus. I don't want anyone to be discussing there. What's this? I will tell my 4 spaces followed by 3 stars like this. After that, it is 5 space and 1 star. This is my pattern. How it is looking like? It is exactly the ulta of pyramid. Ulta in the sense, reverse of pyramid. Am I correct? So this is how my expectation is. I want you people to think for some time and how you can code this. You have 2 minutes of time to think regarding this. Your time starts now. Everything is awesome. Okay, so you thought about it? Yes? Okay, anyhow, the students who got this, very good, awesome. The people who haven't got it, absolutely no problem. Let me close this, not required. Okay, what's this? So the approach approach is very, very important. If you have the approach, any kind of patterns, you can solve it in a very easy way. The first and very important thing is, this is you and this is your first approach. You should jump inside the monitor screen. Who will welcome you? Very good. That story in all of these patterns, it is same. Rose will welcome you, and who is taking care of Rose? I. Close your books. Close your books. Now, initial condition, maximum condition. That is the final condition you should tell. Think and tell me. How many initial number of rows? 1. Very good. 1 is the initial number of rows. Maximum number of rows. If you notice there in my pattern, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows are there, and that I'm going to put it here like this. Followed by, when I'm entering inside the row, who will welcome me next? It is the spaces will welcome me. So that I will tell it here, and this is how I will tell it. 100% the spaces will welcome me. To take care of spaces, I'm having Mr. K. Initial number of spaces in each row. 1. Very good. 1. Maximum number of spaces. If you notice there, in each row, this is the first row, 1 space. Second row, 2 spaces. Third row, 3 spaces. So 100%, is it not different? In each row, it is a changing, means I should write this in such a way that all the rows should be happy. Question arises, what you should tell it here? What you should tell? So now 100% you cannot hard code here. How to get this after some time, we'll see to it. I'll just put a question mark there. Very good. After that, who will come after spaces? Stars will welcome me like this. And who is taking care of stars? J. Minimum number of stars in each row. 1. Maximum number of stars in each row. What's that? Should you tell 9 here? 9 you should tell. If you are telling 9, what will happen? What will happen? Only first row will be happy. What about other 4 people? What they should do? So 100%, you should not hard code it here. This is a question mark. Now, I have to fill this question mark. For that, I have to create a table. How you will do it? What's this? What I will do? I will create one table like this. So this is my table, and this is how this table I will tell it. Very good. So this is my first column, followed by maybe second column and third column like this. Very good. Here I will tell it as rows. Here I will tell it as maybe spaces. Very good. And here, what should I tell? Stars I should tell. How many rows are there? You should tell. How many rows? 5. 3, 4, 5. In first row, how many spaces? 1. 1 space. In the second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, 5 spaces. Very good. Now let me come to stars now. What is that, sir? Now watch it. In the first row, how many stars you have? This is my first row. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have a total of 9 stars are there. That I will tell it. In the second row, where is second row? This is second row. How many stars are there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100%. 7 stars are there. 7 I will tell. What about third row? This is my third row. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A total of 5 stars are there. That I will tell. What about fourth row? 3. Very good. Fifth row? 1. These are the number of stars. Very good. So now, I have to build one expression now, one relationship now. How is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you guys sensing something there? What you guys are sensing? So 100%, both of them are same. Means what can I tell there? So 100%, who is taking care of spaces? K means can I tell whatever rows you have, is it equal to space? So who is taking care of row? I equal to K. K Can I tell it as k equal to I? Very good. So you should tell this k less than or equal to I. Very good. So whatever I'm getting it here, this fellow, I will put him here. How will put, sir? Watch it. This fellow, I will take him and put him here like this. Very good. What about this fellow, sir? This was quite simple. We were doing it from yesterday, right? So now the story is for the number of stars. How to get it, sir? How many of you got the logic for this? Okay, some of you got. Very good. The people who haven't got, please listen to me. The people who got also, please listen to me. What's this? Whatever the 9 I'm having, I will write it in a different fashion. How you will write? Watch it. I will tell 2 into 5. What is that? 2 into 5. How much? 10. What I need? 9. So what should I tell? Minus 1. Very good. What's this? This is 2 into 4. 2 into 4 how much? 8. But what I need? What you should do? Awesome. I will tell 2 into 3. How much? What I need? What you should do? Very good. I will tell 2 into 4. How much? Okay. Okay. So what should I tell? 2 into 2. How much? 4. What I need? What you should do? Minus 1. Very good. Last but not the least, you should tell 2 into 1. How much? What I need? What you should do? Sensing this much. So now, when you do this way, this is how it is looking like. But here, can you please put I inside this? Can you please put I? 100% no. See here, I is how it is looking like. I means rows. Rows means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you look at these expression, how can you write I there? Means at this point of time also, you cannot put I inside this expression. You cannot put it. Then now question arises, then what should I do? You should not stop it here. Another one step ahead you should go. And whatever I have written here, I will change him. I will write him in a different fashion now. Why? Because now this is not the end, right? I cannot put it here. Now question arises, how you will do it, sir? Watch it. What I will do, I will tell this way. How you will tell it, sir? Whatever 2 is there, I will write it as it is. Whatever 2 is there, I will write it as it is. Whatever star is there, I will write it as it is. Now, whatever 5 is there, I will write it in a different fashion now. How is that, sir? Watch it. 5 minus 1. How much? 5 minus 1, how much? 4. But what I need here? Please focus. This fellow is there, no. I will write him in a different fashion. How? 2 is there, 2 I have taken. Star is there, star I have taken. Whatever this fellow 5 is there, I will write him in a different fashion. 5 only I will get it, but in a different fashion. How is that? 5 minus 1, how much? 4. But what I need? 5. What you should do? Very good. You should tell plus 1, you should close this. Wherever minus is there, I will keep it as it is, like this. Minus. And whatever 1 is there, I will keep it as it is, minus 1. Sensing this much? Great. The same thing I want to write him in a different fashion. How is that? Watch it. Whatever 2 is there, 2 I will write it as it is. Star I will write it as it is. Whatever 4 is there, I will write him in a different fashion. How is that, sir? This is 5 minus 2. How much? 3. What I need? 4. What you should do? Plus 1 you should do. Like this. And minus 1 as it is, you should keep it this way. Very good. Whatever this fellow is there, I will write him in a different fashion. How you will do it, sir? Whatever 2 is there, I will write it as it is. Star is there, I will write it as it is. 3 is there, I will write it as 5 minus 3. How much? 2, what I need. 3, what you should do. Plus 1 you should do. Sensing this much? Very good. Now, what is this? Minus as it is and 1 as it is you should tell. Sensing this much? Very good. The same thing here. Also you should do it. How I will do it, sir? What's this? This is 2. 2 as it is, star as it is, and now whatever 2 is there, I will write him in this fashion. 5 minus 2, how much? 5 minus 2, how much? 3. But if you do like this, 100% you will not get it. Then what should I do? So 5 minus 4. Very good. 5 minus 4, how much? 1. But what I need? What you should do? Plus 1 you should do. You guys had your breakfast? Had, right? What you guys had? Idli, dosa, uppit. Then avalakki, very good. Then pongal, very good. Then ragi ball, that is ragi muddi. Okay, ragi muddi also you had. Next, where is that breakfast is going? Where it is going? It is going inside you only. I can't see that energy from you. Simply some people, Whenever I tell something, make sure you interact with me. Sensing this much? Okay, very good. So please come to my program now. So minus 1, let me finish this. Very good. So this fellow, I will write him in a different fashion. How you will write it, sir? This is 2 into 1 is there. I will write him in a different fashion. How is that? How you will write it? This is 5 minus 5. How much? 0. What you need? 1 you need, plus 1 you should tell. Whatever minus is there, you should keep it as it is. Minus 1 is there. What's this? How I will write him? Great. Wherever common things are there, I will write it as it is. How is that? Watch it. Now, 2. Everywhere 2 is there, 2 I will write it. Everywhere star is there, star I will write it. Everywhere bracket is there, bracket I will write it. Everywhere 5 is there, 5 I will write it. Everywhere minus is there, I will write it. Now, you watch this. 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come here. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who is he? Rose. Rose means what? I. Got that I right. Sensing this much. Now, I will come here and in place of this, I will put Mr. I like this. After that, everywhere plus is there, plus. Everywhere 1 is there, 1. Everywhere brackets are also there, very good. Everywhere minus is also there, very good. Everywhere 1 is there, this is my expression, and whatever the expression I am getting it here, 100%, this expression, I will take it and put it somewhere. I am not getting this. I will get it now. So this fellow, in place of question mark, I will take him like this, and 100% I will put him here. This is my expression. Sensing this much? Some students again they will be thinking, sir, how you are getting to know I should do like this only? Pure practice. You should also practice. You need no need to pressurize yourself. You do. Subconsciously it will come. That's the beauty of programming. Programming is pure practice. That's it. Sensing this much? Very good. So this is my initial condition, final condition for rows. Initial condition, final condition for spaces. Initial condition, final condition for the stars. If you get this, coding is not at all a big deal. Can you code it, sir? Why not? What's this? What I will do, let me get my program. Where is your program, sir? My program is here. Let me get it. So this is how my program is looking like. Is this the program? This is yesterday's program, right? Okay. So let me get another program. I don't want yesterday's program. I want a different program. Let me get that one. So this was the program what we saw yesterday. Sir, where is the program, sir? Okay. Yesterday's program is gone. Now you please watch this. This is a brand new program. Sir, how you will code it, sir? Watch it. I will come to my main method, and here I will keep some certain things ready. Which are those? It is int I, comma, j, comma, k. Put a semicolon. Very good. I will come here, and you have to tell certain loops. How you should tell, sir? For. So this fellow should take care of the rows. Who is taking care of rows? I. So you should tell I equal to initial 1, final. What you should tell? I less than or equal to 5. And now I will tell it as I plus plus. Very good. Inside this I will come, and 100% I'll put a bracket here. Now you think and tell me, I'm entering inside the row. Who will welcome me next? Space. For space I will tell for. Inside this I will tell k equal to 1. Very good. K less than or equal to I. Very good. After that, what you should tell? K plus plus. Amazing. Very good. Now I'm entering inside this for loop like this. And what he is doing? K spaces he is taking care. If he is taking care of spaces, what you should do? Very good. You should tell it as system.out. What you should do? You should print. What you should print? Space you should print, and that is what I am going to do it like this. I will hit enter. I will come here. I will close this. After spaces, who will come now? Stars. To take care of stars, I am having one person. Who is he? J. I will tell for. For what? J equal to. What you should tell? 1. Very good. What you should tell the final condition? J less than or equal to. What you should tell? So 2 into. You should tell the bracket. It is 5 minus I plus 1. You have to close it. Okay, I will tell it. So this is minus 1 like this. You are showing a lot of energy. Very good. So this is my final condition. After that, what you should do? So this is my semicolon, and after that it is j plus plus like this. Very good. I will close it. And what he should do now? What is the work of j? To print the stars, and that is what I am going to do it in my program, and this is how I will do it. This is system.out. What should I do? Print. What you should print? Star. So this is how I will print the star like this, and 100% I will come here and close this way. Very good. And this is how you should read it. I'm entering inside the row. After that, you're printing the spaces. After that, you're printing what? The stars like this. I'll just differentiate so that you guys will understand properly. Sensing this much. How you should read it? Entering inside the row, you're printing the spaces, followed by you're printing the stars. Then what you should do? After printing the spaces, after printing the stars, you are here. What you should do? From here, you should come to the next row. Am I correct? That you should tell it programmatically. How you will tell it, sir? Watch it. So what you should do here is, you should tell it as system. Very good. A system.out. Print or println? Println you should tell open, close, put a semicolon. This is your program. That's it. Very good. So let me save it, and now it's the time for me to execute this. For that, I have to go to my operating system. Where is he, sir? Here we go. He is my operating system, and now let me ask him to execute it. For that, you have to go to somewhere. Where you should go? Yes. So some students will be asking me, what are these, sir? D colon you are telling, what are these? All of these are known as commands. To be precise, these are known as get commands. What are these? Get commands. So when you go to the industry, all of these commands, you will use it rigorously. Without these commands, there is no existence of software industry itself. Okay. So how you will go on with the classes, you will learn, different commands. Anyhow, so at this point of time, this much is required. Now you are in D drive. So let me go to one folder. What is the command? CD, change directory to whom? Very good. You have to go to August. August what? 21, like this. If you hit enter like this, you are inside August 21. What you should do here? So this is where your program is present in. First you have to compile and then you have to execute. Let me do it. Now, this is my Java C followed by, what is the name? Program. Very good. After that, you should tell .java. When you hit enter, if you notice there, something you are getting. Error it is showing. What is that error? Reached end of the file while parsing. Means it is telling that there is some problem in your program. What is that problem? Let us see now. So this is my program. Very good. So let me see what is the problem here. So if you notice, friends, something you have done. What is that? Watch it. So what I will do, if you notice here, for this for, there is a opening and closure. This for opening and closure. This for opening and closure. What about this for? Sir, closure is there now. This is the closure for a main method. This is the closure for a class. Means this for loop, you haven't closed it. And that is what the error it is showing. Sensing this much. Very good. So you got to know where is the error. You have to rectify it. See, one new lesson you have learned it. Very good. I will come here and 100% I will close this for loop here. Sensing this much. So now 100% this will work. Fantastic. If I save it and go to my operating system and here it comes. Very good. So there was some problem. Let me clear the screen so that it should look super clean so that output also can see in a very awesome way. So I will just clean it and now let me compile it. For that, this is the command. When I hit enter, absolutely no problem. Error is resolved. Very good. You have to execute it. For that, you need this command. Which command, sir? What you should tell? Java. You should give the name there as program. If in case you hit enter like this, this is my pattern. Is this the same pattern what I was expecting? 100%. Yes, congratulations. Think and tell me, was it any difficulty was there? Absolutely no. If you know the approach, solving any patterns is not at all a big deal. Sensing this much. With this, let me proceed further now for the next pattern. What is that, sir? Watch it. Okay. So this is how my pattern is looking like. And let me see how many of you can get a logic for this. Are you guys ready? Excited? Excited? How much excited? God knows. Anyhow, what's this? So I will get this one now. This is my monitor screen. Let me represent it in a bigger way, this way. This is my big monitor screen. So this is how my pattern is looking like, and this is how I will draw it. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space, 1 star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 space, 3 stars. 1, 2, 3, 5 stars, like this. Some students will be like, sir, we have done this already, sir. Go on listening to me, you'll get to know. So I will tell here 2 spaces followed by 7 stars, and these 7 stars, I will tell it like this. After that, 1 space, how many stars? 9 stars, like this. Oh, very good. Now, after that, 1 space, 9 stars. 9 stars. After that, 2 spaces, how many stars? 7 stars. And these 7 stars, I will tell it like this. 3, okay, 7 are there. Followed by 3 spaces, how many stars? 3, 4, and 5. After that, It is 4 spaces. How many stars? 3 stars. After that, 5 spaces, 1 star, like this. How it is looking like? How it is looking like? It is looking like a diamond. Am I correct? So in a mathematics language, if I have to speak, this fellow is known as a rhombus. In a common language, if I have to speak, this fellow is a diamond. You will wear it in your engagements, right? That one. Very good. So this is my pattern. I want you people to think looking at this and get the logic without touching your pen. Let me see how many of you can get it. See, until and unless you think, you cannot learn programming in a proper way. You think, and when I teach you, you can match your thought procedure, and where you're lacking, you will understand. That is why. This is my pattern. Let me see. Is any of this? As software developer engineer 1, software developer engineer 2, software developer engineer 3. In short form, people call it as SDE1, SDE2, SDE3. Anyone who starts his career as a software engineer, that engineer will work hard with full of determination and dedication to attend SDE3. And if you're going for SDE3, your minimum package is going to be 30 lakh per annum. And for SDE3, it's not that easy. Sir, what is this, sir? Meaning SDE1, 2, and 3. What is this? SDE3 meaning is you have to give a simple problems to a simple solutions to the complex problems. That's the meaning of SDE3. And you guys should always thrive for this. You should always get a simple solutions, not a complex solutions. Sensing this much? Great. Got the logic for this? How many of you got it? Very good. Now, you please watch it. See, whatever this pattern is there, right? This is completely one pattern. Please watch. Whatever the pattern is there, this is one pattern. Now, if I go with the previous approach, it will be like complex solution to a complex problem. This is what? A complex problem. What are you giving? Complex solution. That is not good. What you should do? You should give a simple solution to a complex problem. That is what you guys should work hard for it. How to do it, sir? Watch it. So you should understand this and you should think, how can I solve this? And now, if you're really concentrating in the previous two patterns, something bulb will light in your brain. What is that, sir? Watch it. If you notice here, I can divide this entire pattern into two like this. Can I do that? Yes or no? Very good. I can tell this fellow as pattern 1. I can call this fellow as pattern 2. Who is he? He is a pyramid. Am I correct? Energy, energy. Very good. What about him? He is a reverse pyramid. Very good. Now you think and tell me. Pyramid. You know how to do this? Reverse pyramid. You know how to do this? Yes. You merge both of them. What you get is this. Sensing this much? Yes or no? Sir, how to do this programmatically? Sir, if you ask me. Now, let me put a pyramid pattern. Now, let me get that logic now. Where is that logic, sir? Yesterday itself we have coded. In my laptop also it is there. Not laptop, desktop. It is there. Let me get that code. Are you guys ready? Very good. So now, let me get one code now, and this is how my code is looking like. Okay. So this was my exactly the previous pattern. Yes or no? Which previous pattern is this? This is for reverse pattern. Am I correct? Yes or no? Now, if you look at my pattern currently, who is there first? Reverse pyramid or a pyramid? Pyramid is there first. So I have to get that pyramid logic first now. How you will do it, sir? Watch it. This is my program. Let me go here. And where is that code, sir, if you ask me? Watch it. I will just put this down. I will come here and I will paste this code like this. Which code is this, by the way? Which code is this? This code is for pyramid. Am I correct? This was my yesterday's code. Yes or no? This is pyramid. Means pyramid is ready. Yes or no? Who is next? Reverse pyramid. Already you have coded reverse pyramid, right? Where is he? He is here. Sensing what I am trying to tell? Watch this. So this fellow and that fellow, I will merge both together, and this is how I'll do it. Very good. What's this? So maybe you guys will get confusion. I will merge all of them this way. Very good. This fellow also, I will put him here. Very good. Who is he? Who is he? Pyramid. Where is reverse pyramid? Reverse pyramid is here. So let me merge both of them. Very good. So this fellow, I will slightly bring him. Very good. So now, what's this? This is my code. This code is for what? This code is for what? Pyramid. This code is for what? Reverse pyramid. What I did? I merged both of them. That's it. Sensing this much? Yes or no? So this is how you have to give simple solution to the complex problem. We should not simply go on thinking, because there are so many people are there in the market who will do their work very much hard. People want the smart people, not the hard-working people. Remember this always. This is not my statement. This is the great Bill Gates statement. We want smart people. That is what his statement is. Very good. So this is my program, and let me see what output I will get for this. Is there any doubt in this? Any doubt? No doubt. Very good. I will save this. Let me go to my command prompt. This is my command prompt. Very good. And now let me execute it. So for that, let me get it here. Let me clear the screen. I've changed the program, so you have to compile it. Let me do it. 100% no problem. Compilation is successful, and let me execute it. If in case I execute it like this and hit enter, here we go. This is your diamond. Sensing this much? Yes or no? Okay, so I will give you 2 minutes of time. So whatever I have done, it is there. I will make it visible for you on my screen. If you have any doubts inside this, you can ask me. Will you guys do it? 2 minutes. Any doubts in this? No doubts. Very good. Let me proceed further for the next pattern now. Your diamond is over and I made you promise maybe 3 days before, right? What was that promise? We are going to build a diamond. Yes, and I told you each one of you will be able to do it and we have achieved it. All of you got this? Fantastic. Now, let me go for my next pattern and this is how my pattern is looking like. What is that, sir? Watch it. So this is my monitor screen. This is my monitor screen. Let me represent it this way. Very good. And after that, what I will do, I will tell something here. What you will tell, sir? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's not visible? Visible, right? Okay. Your eyes are working fine. So this is 2, 3, 4, and 5, followed by 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is my pattern. Okay. So how it is looking like? So this is a square pattern. If you look, the shape of this is square, but inside this there is a hole. Yes or no? So that is why this fellow is known as hollow square pattern. This is my program. I mean, this is my output. You have to code it and get the output. To do this, you have exactly 3 minutes of time. So please think. See, my expectation is not like you have to get the output. That is not my expectation. My expectation is I want you people to think. Until and unless you think, you will not learn programming. That's what. So you have 2 minutes of time. Please think. Okay, awesome. So this is my pattern and how to do this. How to do this. Watch it. This is very important. See, I told you, you guys should always thrive. Hard work is very important to get that SDE3. So for that, what you should do? Simple solution for a complex problem. I will give a simplest of solution for this problem now. How you will do it, sir? Watch it. So this I want to explain this in a next page here. Watch it. Now, whatever the star is there, I want to put it in a bigger picture. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like this. See, this is straight line, okay? It's not like this. Okay. Now what I will do, please close your books. Close your books. Okay. See, whatever this pattern is there, right? I will represent this in a matrix form. What I will do? I will put this in a matrix form. How you will put it, sir? Watch it. What I will do? This is the matrix form I will put it. Okay. What's this? So here, one matrix form I will put it. And how I will put it if you ask me? This is how I will put it. Very good. Now, this is how I will draw it. Very good. Very good. Here also I will put some lines here. Good. Awesome. Amazing. Fantastic. Okay. So, how it is looking like? It is looking like a chessboard, sir. So, this is not your chessboard, this is your matrix. Now, question arises, why that word you are using here, sir? Matrix, why you are using? What's this? Whenever there is a term known as matrix, you should understand this matrix will be having two people. Who are those? Rows and columns. Two people you are having. Then only you should call it as matrix. I am calling this fellow as matrix, means he is having rows and columns. Now question arises, how rows, how columns, sir? Watch it. When you go in this direction, this is me. If I turn like this and walk like this, what is this? Rows. Again I will come here. Walk like this. What is this? This is rows. Means when you come like this, it is a rows. If I stand like this, I will not go in this direction. Instead I will come like this. What is this? Columns. Again I will come here. I will come here like this. What is this? Columns. Means here also, there are certain things which are going like this. It is what? Rows. There are certain things which are coming like this. Yes or no? What are these? Columns. You people understand this? Watch it. Now, whenever you go in this direction, 100% it is row. If you notice there, this is my first row. This is my second row. This is my third row. This is my fourth row. And this is my fifth row. Sensing this much. So that I will tell it here like this. This is my first row. This is my second row. This is my third row. This is my fourth row. And this is my fifth row. Very good. It is not only the rows, you have columns also. See here, this is my first column. This is my second column. This is my third column. This is my fourth column. And this is my fifth column like this. 5 columns I'm having. So that also I will tell it now like this. How is that? This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This you should keep it ready first. Sensing this much? Very good. Now, I will tell here as rows. Very good. I will tell like this as columns. Very good. Now, want to ask one question, not programmatic question, just a simple question. What's this? See, if you look at this pattern, there are some rows wherein everywhere stars are there. Yes or no? Which row is that? First row. Everywhere stars are there. Very good. Another row also everywhere stars you have. Which is that row? Fifth. If you look at this fifth, everywhere stars you have. Very good. In a certain column, everywhere stars you have. Where it is? In the first column, everywhere stars you have. Again, in the fifth column, everywhere stars you have. That you should tell it in your program. Let me repeat this. In the first row, all the stars are there. In the fifth row, all the stars are there. In the first column, all the stars are there. In the fifth column, all the stars are there. You tell it, you will get this. How will you get it, sir? Now, I will write it in an English form now. Whatever I have told just now, I'll put it in an English. How is that? If I is 1. What is 1? I is 1. Sir, what is that I, sir? See, whatever rows are there, for rows, I will appoint one person. Who is he? I. For columns, I will appoint another person. Who is he? J. Some people I will appoint and keep it. Sensing this much? Great. So from now onwards, whenever I tell rows, who is he? I. Whenever I tell columns, who is he? J. That you should be having in your mind. Very good. Now what's this? If row equal to 1, what you should tell? Rows means I, right? If I equal to 1 and what? And what? Okay. And I will not tell. I will tell or, not and. What you should tell? Or. Or what? I equal to 5. Not only this. What you should tell? Or. J equal to 1. Or. What you should tell? J equal to 5. What you should do? You should print. What you should print? Star. In English I am writing. Sensing this much, let me repeat this. If I equal to 1, see, I means row, everywhere 1. Or what? I equal to 5. Where is 5? 5. This is 5. What you should print? Stars you should print. Next what is there? Or J equal to 1. This is J. 1. You should do what? Stars. Next what? J equal to 5. This is 5. And when J equal to 5, what you should do? Print stars. Else what you should do? In these things, stars are there. If you leave this here, what is there? Space is there. That you should tell it. Very good. I will tell. If this is the case, you print this. Else, you should print something. What you should print? Space you should print. As simple as that. Sensing this much? Yes or no? Any doubts in this? No doubt. So whatever I am telling it here, let me code it programmatically. Are you guys ready? What's this? So let me get my program. This is my program. This was my previous program. Let me eliminate all of this. Not required. Very good. Very good. Now, see, first and foremost thing, I and J are there. Yes or no? I will keep them ready. Int I, comma J. I will make them ready. Very good. After this, think and tell me, one row are there or multiple rows are there? Multiple rows are there. Multiple rows you should tell or you should make your program to tell? You should make your program to tell. How you will tell it? Using loops. Yes or no? Which loop? For loop. Sensing this much. So what I should tell? I will tell it as for. For what, sir? First you should enter the row, right? What you will tell? I equal to 1. So you should go until what? 5. Very good. What you should tell? I plus plus. As simple as that. Okay, sir. Very good. So when you enter the row, who will welcome next? For stars. So now in this case, it is the columns. Yes or no? What you should tell? For you should tell j equal to, what you should tell? 1. After that, j less than or equal to 5, followed by j plus plus, like this. But when you are telling this 100%, you should not directly tell here stars. What you should not tell? Inside this, I am going to print stars directly, you should not tell. What you should tell then? If I is 1 or I is 5 or j is 1 or j is 5, only there you should print the stars, or else space, that you should tell. If you simply come here and tell star means, again you will get a square pattern. Everywhere stars you will get. Sensing this much, whatever I have written in the form of English, programmatically I should write it. How you will write it, sir? Tell me. In English only you tell me. What you will tell? If in English you are telling, in program, again you should tell if, like that. In English what you will tell? If I have written right. Go forward please. I is 1. So what you should tell this I is 1, you should tell it in this fashion. You should open the bracket like this. And you should tell I equal to 1, you should not tell. You should tell I double equal, you should tell. Sensing this much. What is this? In operators you will understand. Mechanically you tell I equal to 1, you should not tell. What you should tell? I double equal. I double equals what? 1 means when I equal to 1. What is next? Or. In English, how you tell or? OR. In Java program, or, you should tell it with the help of this. What is that, sir? You should tell 2 straight lines like this. What you should tell? 2 straight lines. The meaning is or. Sensing this much? Yes. If I is 1 or what? Or I is 5. Next English. Or. Very good. J is 1. Very good. Or. Very good. It is J is 5. If this is the case, what you should do? Print star. I should tell it. You are telling in English, programmatically I should put it. How you should put it, sir? You should hit enter like this. And what you should do is, you have to open the bracket and I should tell it as, if this is the case, you have to print the star. How you will print in Java? You should tell system.out. What? Print. What you should print? Star you should print, as simple as that. Sensing this much? Very good. Stars I have printed. If this is not the case, what you should do? Else, space you should print. How to tell it programmatically? Very simple. Here also, else you should tell. In English only you should tell. Else what? You should print something. What you should print? Space. How you will do it, sir? Whenever you are printing something, 100% this line is very much required. What is that? System.out. What is this? Print. What you have to print? Space. And this is how I will print it. Sensing this much? Very good. After that, I will close this. You guys understood this? How many of you understood? All of you understood? Very good. After that, what, sir? After that, always remember that rows are there, right? You have to go one after another. How you will go? Println statement. So that also you tell it, and that statement 100% I will tell it somewhere. where you will tell it, sir, I will come here. This is the opening of the for loop. This is the closure. This is the opening of the for loop. There is no closure. So let me close it now. See, this is the opening of for. This is the closure. This is the opening of for. This is the closure. Sensing this much. So after this statement, I will come. I will tell it as system dot out dot. What you should tell? Println, like this you should tell. That's it. Sensing this much? Understanding? Great. So this is my program, and let me see how this will work. If in case I save it, come to my command prompt. This is my command prompt. Very good. Let me get it. Awesome. Now I have to clear the screen. Let me do it. Let me clear the screen. Let me compile it now. Very good. No problem. Let me execute it. If I do it, this is how the pattern is looking like. Sensing this much? What you told? You have only told to your Java program, right? Whenever I is 1, print the star. Whenever I is 5, you print the star. Whenever j is 1, you print the star. Whenever j is 5, you print the star. That is what it is doing. Else what you should do? Space. That is what it is doing. Sensing this much? With this foundation, I want the next pattern now. And let me see how many of you can get this. How is that, sir? Watch it. So this is what the pattern I want. I want not this hollow, instant. I want this. See, again, I don't know why is that. It is just coming this way. You forget about it. How is looking like? How is looking like? U. U. Not Y-O-U. U alphabet. Can you do this? What is there in this? You got that. Getting this is not at all a big deal. What you will tell here? When I is? When I is 5. Okay. When I is 5, print the start. Next. When j is 1, you print the starts. Next. When j is 5, you print the stars. That's it. If I have to show it to you, this is how it is. If you notice there, all of these are gone now. These are gone. Means you should tell, whenever I is 5, whenever I is 5, j is 1, j is 5, print star. Else print space. As simple as that. Sensing this much? Anyone facing difficulty in this program? See, you guys have paid the fees. And let me tell you, that is not your money. Is that your money? Hard-earned money? No. I don't care for you. Who are you? I care for your parents. You came here to learn and to get placed. Whatever problem it might be. See, I'm such kind of a teacher wherein I will not judge you. Silly questions. There is no silly, no complex. It is just a question for me. You should have that dare and guts and ask, sir, what is this? Please explain it. End of the day, when you're going out, there should not be any doubts in your mind. Sensing this much? Very good. So this is my program. The same thing I should do it in my notepad also. And let me see, will I get the output or not? Are you guys ready? Always ready, right? Very good. So I will come here and let me change something. How you will do it, sir? So this is my program, and 100% you have to change something. What you should change? So this fellow, 100% I will remove him. Very good. After that, what, sir? That's it. If in case I save it, and 100% let me come to my operating system. Here is my operating system. Let me clear the screen. Very good. So let me compile it. This is how I will compile it. Very good. And let me execute it. And this is how I execute it. 100% that is my pattern. Quite easy now. Very good. If you guys literally understood, let me see how many of you can do this. not on your book, but on the screen. How you will do? Will you write a program in your book? Do it. You have written the code for this. What is there in this? Even a LKG student can also do it? No, sir, no. Okay, but what to do? You know, nowadays there is a new education policy known as National Education Policy, wherein from standard 5th, the government of India has started to teach coding. Which standard? 5th standard. What is your standard? You are done with your engineering and now you are learning coding. Why National Education Policy telling that coding should be learned in the 5th standard itself? Because even government also know, if at all future is there, the future is the coding. It's not like in engineering or after completion of engineering, the people should learn coding. In the school itself, you have to learn the coding. So one of my aunt's son is there. He's 6th standard is. And now he's having C program in his curriculum. Which program? C program. And my aunt will call me every single day and tell that my son is facing difficulty. C program, it seems, what is that? Because till now A, B, C, D we know. But here also one C is there, but it's a different C. How it is working? So I'll be like, see, coding is the future, and now itself I'm training my aunt's son, so that in the 2nd year or 1st year of engineering itself, he should get so many offer letters. So that is the future, you forget about it. But 100% each one of you should thrive, work harder to become a coder. Coding is the future, let me tell you, friends. Okay, anyhow, I'll speak about it later. Come here. How you will change this? Very simple. Look, when I is 5 and when is J is 1, you print the star and put everywhere space, as simple as that. Now I will change the statement, and what you should tell? When I is 5, very good, or what you should tell? J is 1, then you have to print the star. That's it. Else what you should do? You have to print the spaces. Sensing this much. With the same logic, we can proceed further and code this also. Yes or no? Very good. Now, I don't want this. Instead, I want this now. How is that, sir? This is 1 everywhere. 2 2 everywhere, 3 everywhere, 4 everywhere, and 5 everywhere. Can you do this? Are you guys sensing something? Are you guys sensing something? What you guys are sensing? If you notice here, this fellow, all of these fellows are matching. You forget about him, forget about him. This fellow, all of them are matching. This fellow, you look at him, all of them it is matching. Look at him, matching. Look at him, matching. Who is he? Who is he? Rose. Yes or no? Who is taking care of Rose? I. This logic you should use. How to do it in tomorrow's class, I will tell it to you. But before I end this class, I want to ask, how many of you have the LMS access? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Very good. How many of you have Thai access? Oh, very good. How many of you have the website, the Drive portal? How many of you have that? The meaning of this is, only these people are using the facilities of TAP Academy. If I'm not wrong, previously when I started my classes, I told you, 3 days demo classes are there. You please don't pay the fees, I told you. I told you yes or no. Until and unless you get the confidence, 100% of confidence if you get, come here, I will make you a placement. I will get placed. I'll make you to get placed. So 100%, the 3 days of demo classes are over now. And it's such an irony that you're not watching my recorded videos. Number 2, you're not using an AI. Number 3, you're unable to get what companies are visiting TAP Academy. Which date it started, this batch? 21. What's the date today? 30 or 31st? 31st. It's almost 10 days and you don't have the LMS and you don't have the Thai access. You don't know what companies are visiting. My friends, I can't keep on waiting for you. 100% no. I have to take the pace now. At the same time, you should be watching my videos every day. You should be coding, because in another 20 days, your 1 month of course is over. 1 month of course is over. So you are left out with only 3.5 months, and we have to complete so much stuff with accuracy and perfection. So that's why I can't keep on waiting for you. Today is the last day. Again, I'm telling you, I'm not forcing you. If you have a confidence on me, confidence on this organization, welcome. No, sir, 99.9% confidence I'm having, but 0.1 is lacking, sir. You yourself don't have confidence means I'm telling you, don't join. Don't join. But if you have the confidence, from tomorrow onwards, you can enter this class if you have a book in your hand. Which book? Core Java book. Anyone brought that book? So this book we will give you we will give this book if you have paid the fees. What is the meaning? If you paid the fees and got the admission. See, education, education in India, actually it has become business. Actually speaking, education, it should be for free of cost. And whatever we are taking the amount from you, 25,000 we are taking. Out of that 5,000 GST we are paying. After that, we are giving you the LMS access. We have to pay the money. We are giving you the Thai access. For each and every assignment you do in the Thai access, we have to pay the money for AWS, Amazon Web Services, because that is where our Thai we have deployed there. For every question you ask, we have to pay the money for AWS. It is okay for us. Means whatever the least money we are taking from you, it is very much least. If you go to the market there, 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs for a full stack course. How much? 2.5 to 3 lakhs. It will shock us, because we being the teachers, we should not burden the students, especially the parents should not get burdened, because you guys have paid lakhs together to your engineering. But what engineering people got you? Just a chump, right? It just told you, you are an engineer, you go out and search your job. That's it. That's the beauty of engineering colleges in India. But you came here just to make sure you guys will get placed as soon as possible. For that, I can't keep on waiting. Tomorrow they will get the access. Day after tomorrow they will get the access. Tomorrow they will get this book so that they can revise all of this. If you notice here, whatever I have taught, everything is here. In the day one, I taught you about the compiler. Compiler is there. In the day one itself, I've taught you about assembler. Assembler is there. After that, I taught you about loading, saving, RAM, hard disk, that is there. After that, I spoke about portability, that is there. After that, I am speaking about my execution of the main method, that is there. Means whatever I taught you, it is there in the book, and I told you, don't touch your pen. Your duty is just to come, sit and listen to me. You just listen. After that, where is your notes? No notes. Are you watching the videos? No. Why? You are waiting, waiting, waiting. I can't wait. So today is the last day. Tomorrow morning, until you pay the fees, you will not be allowed in the class. See, don't, feel like, oh, he's so arrogant. No. I'm doing it for your purpose only. Sensing this much. See, due respect to all of your financial problems. Due respect. But what to do? We can't keep on waiting for you, right? Sensing this much. Again, if you have confidence, please come. If you don't have confidence, thank you so much, my dear students. It's been 10 days I'm seeing your face. 10 days you have learned something from me. So thank you so much. If God, God's grace outside, we'll meet some other time. Okay? Thank you so much. Tomorrow, same time, 10 o'clock, please go home and keep on coding. Happy coding. Keep smiling. Thank you so much.